You can run a professional dispatching business from a laptop and a phone. But having the right tools organized from the start means you spend less time on administration and more time on the work that actually generates income, finding freight, negotiating rates, and managing carrier relationships. Let's build your toolkit from the ground up. Your core tools fall into 5 categories: load boards, communication, documentation, tracking, and business operations. Load boards first. As we covered in Module 2, DAT and truckstop.com are your primary freight finding platforms. At minimum, get a DAT subscription that includes rate view access. If your carrier base grows and you're covering multiple equipment types, truckstop.com as a secondary board fills in gaps. These are non-negotiable. Everything else builds around them. Communication. You need a professional business phone number separate from your personal phone. Google Voice is free and gives you a separate number you can use from your cell phone. A dedicated business phone line signals professionalism to brokers, especially if they call you back and your voicemail says your company name, professional dispatch services. Details like this matter in broker relationships. You also need a professional email address, not a Gmail personal account if you can avoid it. A domain-based email, yourname@yourbusiness.com, is inexpensive and projects credibility. Documentation, every carrier packet, every signed rate confirmation, every BOL, every POD, every invoice needs to be stored and organized so you can retrieve any document in under a minute. Use a cloud storage system, Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, with a folder structure by carrier and then by load. Name files clearly: load date, broker name, load number, document type. This system takes 5 minutes to set up and saves hours over the course of a year. Load tracking, a spreadsheet or simple CRM to track every load. Carrier name, broker, load ID, origin, destination, pickup date, delivery date, rate, dispatch fee, invoice status, payment status. We covered this layout in the Scripts and Templates resource pack. Use it from your very first load. The carriers who lose track of payments and the dispatchers who can't tell you which loads are still unpaid are the ones who get taken advantage of. Know your numbers. Business operations. You need a way to invoice your carriers professionally. Wave, FreshBooks, and QuickBooks all have free or inexpensive tiers that let you send professional invoices, track payments, and manage your income. Even a simple invoice template in Google Docs is better than a handwritten note. Get this set up before you send your first invoice. Now let's talk about what you don't need right away. You don't need a TMS, a transportation management system, when you're working with 1 to 3 carriers. TMS platforms are designed for managing larger fleets and come with significant monthly costs. Start with the spreadsheet, grow into the software. Buying tools before you've grown into them is expensive and distracting. You also don't need a website on day one. A professional email address, a well-organized communication style, and real results with your first carriers will get you further than a website without a track record. Build the results first. The website can follow. The toolkit you need to launch is simpler than most people think. DAT access, a professional phone line and email, cloud storage for documents, a load tracking spreadsheet, and a simple invoicing tool. That's it. Everything else is an upgrade you add when it solves a real problem you've encountered, not before. Simple, organized, and professional beats complex and impressive looking every time. Run a clean operation with the basics, and your results will speak louder than any software.